All right, here is the Anker charging pack. This is a USB-C 10,000 milliamp charging pack. It's got a 20 watt max output, I believe. I've ordered a bunch of these because I tend to lose them. I think this is like the 6th one I've ordered. I like to have two to rotate. Always have one on the charger so I can just swap it out when current one is a little low, but yeah, it's pretty nice. You press this button here, shows you this is at 50%. They ship these kind of batteries that usually have juice, so you have to charge them. And you got a USB-A out here, USB-C, and you can charge through the USB-C. 10,000 milliamps. This will give your phone about 3 charges, depending on whether you got a iPhone or a Samsung Galaxy or whatnot. Comes with a USB-C to USB-C and also a USB-A to USB-C. Alright, there you go. Yep, this is my #1 charging pack for travel. Fits right in your jean pocket or whatnot. It's about the same size as as my smartphone anyway, almost the exact same dimensions. So yeah, it's not too big and clunky. They make a 20,000 milliamp version of this, but it's way too large and heavy. I like the 10,000. And yeah, you can get a full day out of this thing pretty much on your phone. On your phone all day long, this will keep you charged. All right, that is the charging pack there. Yeah, it's good for plane flights, traveling, whatever, you know. Just whenever you need to charge on the fly, and it charges your phone. If you do the USB-C to USB-C, you'll be in fast charging mode, so good deal. All right, and yeah, this is for under 30 bucks also, so it's also very affordable. All right, I opened the instructions here of the see, I guess this battery pack is officially called the Powercore Slim 10,000 PD. And I learned something new with this battery pack. If you double click on the power button twice, it goes into trickle charging mode, which is apparently a better way to charge your earphones. I don't really understand how that works, but yeah, you can exit trickle charging mode by just clicking in the button once. But yep, all right, there you go. There is the Powercore Slim 10,000 PD. All right, this charging pack has been a necessity for my travels. Yeah, I don't know how I would do without it, but yeah, I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check this out if you want one. And yeah, great stuff.